If your highlight isn't working, you're doing this part wrong. This mistake wastes more time than it should. Highlighting text should not feel broken. If nothing happens when you click highlight, watch this. You're one small step away from fixing this. A lot of people think highlighting text in OpenOffice Writer is glitchy. It's not. It's just easy to miss one step. Let me show you the correct way. Here's the problem. People click the highlight button before selecting text. When nothing happens, they think it's broken. Here's the fix. First, click and drag to select your text. Now go to the toolbar and click the highlight icon. It works instantly. If you want a different color, click the small arrow next to the highlight icon. Pick your color. The change applies right away. Once you know the order, highlighting text is simple. If you want more quick writer tips and ready-to-use OpenOffice resources, I keep those linked around this video. Select the text. Click Highlight. That's the whole thing. If this saved you time, like the video and subscribe for more OpenOffice tutorials. You're good to go.